Okay guys, I'm back messing with flow again another day. I'm trying to get some consistent characters, so I'm going to start a new project and do it all over again. But this time I've done more research. Okay, I'm using Gemini. So what I told Gemini was write a detailed VEO3 prompt script for flow that will create a 77-second video containing the following consistent characters saying the following things out loud and performing the following actions. So this part I had written, if you watch my previous video, a character, I changed her name to Piper Bro, young woman in church. She looks like Halle Berry and Sinai Lathan. I described her skin, the stuff I want the pastor to say. So I gave it some good prompts. And so this is what Gemini came up with. This is gemini.google.com. So it said, okay, here's a VEO3 prompt script based on your detailed request. So, I want it more than 8 seconds. So this is what they came up with. VEO3 prompt script, Holy Spirit Awakening, 77 seconds. It's describing consistent characters. Piper Bro, features resembling Halle Berry, skin, everything I typed in, overall setting. And, I have the bishop, there's churchgoers, a rotund young black man, overall setting, modern, large megachurch. And so it's really giving all the shots, what they want to see in 0 to 5 seconds, in 5 to 10 seconds, what he's going to say, 10 to 20 seconds. I think this will work better. Then scene 2, the invitation. Scene 3 will last approximately 20 seconds, tracking shots, all kinds of shots. Scene 4, at the altar, quick cuts. And how to describe her eyes snapping open. It's a close-up. Voiceover. Okay. Visual notes for flow. So I'm just going to copy this entire script, which they're saying, let me copy. It should provide flow with enough detail to generate the video you're looking for. Okay, so let's go here. Yes, I'm doing text to video. Oh, ingredients to video. See, I still don't know if I should give it some ingredients. This is what we want. Make sure to always choose highest quality experimental audio. Maybe I was forgetting that. Outputs per prompt. And I don't know if I should give it some ingredients to video. Let's text to video, ingredients to video. Let's do text to video and see what it comes up with. Hopefully better than just, those 8-second clips I was dealing with yesterday, because I didn't know you could tell flow a time. So while it's thinking, I'll kind of show you what I've come up with in the past. And it's so cool, all these people on Twitter. Here I was playing around before I even purchased, the Google Ultra AI. And then yesterday, you guys know, I was trying to do these, but I wasn't always getting audio. When I downloaded, I got inconsistent characters. That was so funny to me, how she was dressed. And see, she changed into that, and she was running, and now she's this woman. And I notice other people are having that issue too. Some people are keeping the characters more consistent. And this one, she was changing up. And then I didn't obviously keep the character consistent there. So I'm like, oh boy. And I don't want to waste too many credits. I don't know how much I'm spending here. Anyway, back here, 41%, but oh my goodness, it's so cool. I've been looking at all these biblical stories I've found. These are really cool. So I've been specifically looking at the VEO3 videos longer than 8 seconds with consistent characters. And this guy kind of has, I think it's this guy. See, some of these characters are changing up. But this guy, he's interesting. I'm like, that's what I want to be, an AI filmmaker. PJ's newsletter, I signed up for this. He was talking about the fast rising video on TikTok, reimagining Daniel as a character from the Bible. It was really good.
Hey everyone, Daniel here. So, the king signed a law banning prayer for 30 days. Obviously, I prayed. Let's see how that goes.
All right, guys, it's official. They're throwing me into the lion's den.
So he stays kind of consistent, but you can tell the changes.
I'll film what I can, Dre, and if I survive, this is gonna blow up.
All right, welcome to my crib. That one's asleep. That one's just staring at me. Honestly, they're kind of chill. But I'm whispering because I really don't want to wake the angry one.
Morning, folks. Still.
That was pretty funny. And some character changes would be okay if it's a person's been through something rough. Some of these, they literally change into like an Australian character.
Here, and they are too. That one's been staring at me since sunset. Starting to think they like me.
All right, made it out. Thank God, literally. If you watch till the end, comment what you think, and hey, maybe I come back if y'all want part 2.
That's funny. So I noticed this Holly Vlogs seems to be the originator of a lot. Now,
Hey guys, it's Eve. Just started
Now, this person really changes.
the day, and seriously, look at this garden. Not a bad place to wake up in. Let's see what today brings. Okay, so apparently there's just...
See, she looks different there. She's going to look really different later. Let's check on our flow. Oops, something went wrong. What went wrong? It's not telling me. Prompt script. What happened? Someone said to tell it, you have to do what it tells you. Maybe I'll just try and run it again. Text to video. Is it because I asked for 77 seconds? See, we're all learning. Anyway, back to this.
There's just one rule here. Don't eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. One rule. There's a serpent.
See how different she looks each time?
And it basically told me that if I eat the fruit, I'll understand everything. Like, okay, wow. That's actually really good.
It looks like 5 different Eves or whatever, but at least, you know, they're producing videos longer than 8 seconds.
Kind of crunchy, kind of forbidden. Not bad at all. Okay, something feels different.
Now she totally looks different. She's looking like Margot Robbie more there, you know? So I think I'm not the only one who's having problems with character consistency.
I don't know, but I have to talk to Adam, like right now. Hey, try this. Trust me, it's
Look at how she looks now.
eye-opening.
Wait, why do I feel weird?
Oh.
Are we naked?
And look how different Adam looks and she looks. And so maybe, I don't know what the prompts were here, but did they just say, you know, blonde, Caucasian woman with blue eyes or whatever and not give it enough detail, or?
Okay, I think we messed up. We should probably run.
This is literally your fault, Eve.
So we just got kicked out of paradise.
Drop a like if you've ever been banned from somewhere.
Hey guys.
It's pretty funny. Okay, what's my flow doing? What happened? Couldn't generate video. Maybe if I change the time. Oh, and some guy said, whoops, some guy said on Twitter, you know, his wouldn't generate. So he said, look, I pay for, what did he say? Ultra. I pay for Google Ultra, so generate this video. I might try that next. I think the issue is, do they tell us how to generate videos? This one's really cool.
Yo, it's Jonah. So God literally told me to go to Nineveh, and I said, nope, booked a ship to Tarshish instead. Let's see how that works out. All right, guys, got my ticket to Tarshish.
There we go. See, someone's like, why did he randomly become Australian? It's true.
Cheaper than therapy. Just gotta stay under God's radar for a bit. Okay, not gonna lie, I think the radar picked me up. Wind's crazy, ship's shaking, and I'm starting to think God's not thrilled about this trip. Okay, guys, quick update. I'm the reason for the storm.
They voted, I lost, and apparently the solution is... All right, not dead. Just got swallowed by something. Smells like a wet camel in here.
Okay, yeah, I deserve this.
It's funny. I mean, you can see the slight changes in his appearance. And obviously that Australian accent kicked in. But it's like, it's still cool. Is that another one? I can't tell if that was the last one. Failed generation. What does that mean? Failed generation. And how do I get rid of that? Does it tell you why? Each generation uses 100 credits. Oh my goodness. And if it fails, and can you tell what your balance is? Wistflow 100. Whoa. Oh, you can top up your credits, of course. I just need to know how to use it to begin with is the issue. I should try that. I pay for Google Ultra Pro plan, so please create this video. Okay, and I want to look up, what did it say? Failed to create flow VEO3. Where is it? Failed to create video? What was the exact term? I don't know. Obviously, I might need to watch some more tutorials, but I couldn't generate video. Try again later. Why is it telling me this? Oh, failed generation. Failed generation. See if anyone else is having this problem. Failed generation. They better not be using my credits. Yes, is it eating? That's what I'm wondering. Is it eating credits? No way. Try again later, but it still takes credits for it. I see no way of regenerating the video. Failed generation, consume credits, but they will be returned to you eventually. I hope so. I really hope so. Good. But yeah, why are they failing? That's what's weird. Like if there were a detailed prompt guide, that would help. Flag output. What does that mean? This other guy gave a prompt. The guy who created that puppy video, PJ Ace, that's his Twitter name. That puppy prescription video. Oh, and then this was the prompt for some of those biblical videos. And then this guy, Colton Havens, he's in the AI Artificial Intelligence group on Facebook. He gave this prompt. See, I'm wondering if I have to do the prompts only 8 seconds a piece. Maybe that's why it's failing. I want to try my prompt again. I mean, you can't do all that in 8 seconds, can it? I don't know. I just want to try it just to see what it'll do. I feel like we just need more instructions from Google on how to actually write the prompts or the formula for the prompts. And seriously, how to create consistent characters. Because most people are going to want to create something more than 8 seconds. But these are great.
I got swallowed and now I'm literally sitting in fish guts. God, I know you're watching. I'm listening now. I just got puked out by a fish the size of a house and I'm covered in stuff I can't even describe. But hey, fresh air. So yeah, learn my lesson. Don't run from God. Like, comment, pray, and I'll see you in Nineveh.
Yo, it's Jonah.
I love that. The way he's like has all the algae and sea stuff on him. And this one is good too.
Hey guys, it's Maria. You won't believe this. An angel literally showed up and said, I'm gonna have a baby. From God. Like, what? Okay, I told Joseph. He froze for like 5 minutes, then asked if I was sure. I said, absolutely. He's been
So she looks different too. And why did she say her name was Maria instead of Mary? I was like, what?
pacing in the backyard ever since. So we're heading to Bethlehem.
Different again, but you know, cutting time, you know, you can kind of get away with it.
9 months pregnant on a donkey. This is not how I pictured today going. Okay, I'm about to give birth. There's a cow snoring, no bed, and it smells like donkey. 5 stars for privacy, 0 for comfort. Hey guys, he's here, born right here in this cozy barn. We're tired, but our hearts are full. Okay, not even 24 hours old and he's already getting gifts. Baby's first collab? We'll unbox later. Love you guys, care. Don't forget to like and pray. Hey guys.
So cute. So I'm wondering, am I supposed to do, okay, good. I was hoping it would just stay highest quality experimental video. And then I wonder how you figure out your balance. I'll have to look that up. Manage your AI credits. Okay, you'll be notified if your AI credits are low or if you don't have enough AI credits to complete a request. You can find your total remaining through Whisk and Flow. Check your usage. Where? AI credit activity. Where? We'll find it. Whoa. Did it create? And maybe it's somewhere in here. I'm gonna have to play around. So, oh. It's like, did it do anything? Like the previous ones failed. But what about this one? Well, my neighbor's starting a lawnmower. And I don't feel like closing the windows. Okay, what is happening? Where are the actual... Is it doing anything? I didn't see an error message. I mean, I see this one failed. I know that. Scene builder. I see nothing to play. I don't know. I just don't want to give up on this. Obviously, people are figuring out how to use this, so I want to figure it out too. All right, we'll stick with it.